Sri B.S. Raghavan, an IAS officer of 1952 batch of West Bengal cadre, was a commissioner of various departments. He also served as the chief secretary of Tripura and was the director, political and security policy planning in the Union Home Ministry. He was the first secretary of the National Integration Council under the first Prime Minister of India, Sri Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and continued this most pivotal position for under three other prime ministers consecutively. He was a policy advisor to the UN and the chairman of 3 UN committees. He has been chief executive of 4 major public sector enterprises and now a well-celebrated columnist and author. May we have the pleasure of hearing you, sir, and over to you, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clearly, no problem.
No problem, sir. Yes, sir. You can go ahead, sir.
Mr. Srinivasan and all those who have assembled here, my apologies for jumping the queue. The only excuse I have is I am 95 and I specially chose to join today's occasion despite my age and infirmities for paying my very high tribute as a mark of public duty. I consider it a public duty on my part that I should discharge to Prime Point Srinivasan and all members of his team for the excellent public service that they have been rendering. It's not just running a Presence magazine and publishing 8 volumes of a digest of essays. They have been performing a yeoman public service, a pioneering public service, which is nothing more or nothing less than raising the standards of public life in this country, the quality of public life in this country, by ensuring that democracy functions at a very high level. That he has been ensuring by his innovative introduction, innovative initiative, which has earned the praise of no less a person than Abdul Kalam, of awarding Samsad Ratna every year to the best representative in many dimensions in our parliament. Over a period, because of his professional, intellectual, and personal integrity, and the integrity of the team that he has assembled, this award has acquired a prestige that I can only call both enviable and unimaginable. Now, through this award and through all his other efforts, and through his very high quality articles in Presence magazine, he has contributed to the monumental task. Believe me, I am saying it at my age of 95 years after being in public life for almost 80 years. Believe me, it's a monumental task of raising the quality of public life, the quality of representatives, and the quality of citizens of this country by his service. I do not know at all. I suppose Prime Point Srinivasan will forgive me. I think even Prime Point Srinivasan does not know the invaluable service that he has been rendering. And his team ought to know that there have been participants in making India great and bring glory to India. Because of my age, I have the right and authority to convey my blessings to every one of you. And therefore, I take this occasion, I said earlier, and I repeat it, I specially made it a point to attend today's function, despite my age and infirmity, for the very simple but noble purpose of conveying my very high appreciation for the invaluable and almost incredible services that Prime Point Srinivasan has been rendering. May they live long. Let them have a continued contribution to the public service of this country and also raising the quality of citizenship. The Constitution begins we the people, or we the people playing our part. And I think Prime Point Srinivasan should now move on from representatives to we the people and see whether there could be any innovative enterprise whereby we the people also could be made to contribute to the raising of the quality of public service in this country. Thank you very, very much.
Very, very grateful, sir, Mr. B.S. Raghavan ji. Your words are very, very valuable. That too, a person of your stature blessing us, it's a great. I know that your health and your participation has it has been very, very proud. We are proud of you, sir. Priya.
Thank you so much, Raghavan sir, for taking out your time, given limitations. I'm sure each and every word of what you have spoken is engraved so deeply into our hearts, and we will ensure that we keep up all that good spirit and good work Srinivasan sir had been doing with Aegis guidance and monumental personalities like you, sir. Thank you so much for your time, and may we wish you good health